Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the mining newsflash with Goldterra, Max Silver, Aztec Minerals and Maple Gold Mines. Terra Resources entered into an exploration agreement with venture option with Newmont Ventures Limited in Miramar Northern Mining on certain mineral leases and mineral claims adjacent to the former Con mine, called the Newmont Exploration Property. The agreement contains two phases of a potential earn-in. In Phase 1, Goldterra can earn a 30% interest by spending a minimum of $3 million Canadian in exploration over 3 years on the Newmont Exploration Property. Goldterra will manage, fund and operate the program. Upon completing Phase 1 earn-in, the parties will form a joint venture. In Phase 2, Goldterra can earn an additional 30% interest for a 60% cumulative interest in the joint venture by sole funding all expenditures and completing a pre-feasibility study outlining a mineral resource containing at least 750,000 ounces of gold on the Newmont exploration property itself and a combined 1.5 million ounces of gold on both the Newmont exploration property and the mineral claims in the immediate area, which are already owned by Goldterra. Goldterra has a period of up to 4 additional years to complete the Phase 2 earn-in and will also manage and operate the Phase 2 program. Provided that Goldterra completes Phase 2 earn-in, Newmont has a one-time back-in right to earn back a 20% interest in the joint venture, such that Newmont would then hold a 60% interest and Goldterra would hold 40%. The back-in right is triggered if a discovery of at least 5 million ounces of gold in all mineral resources categories is made within the Newmont exploration property and is exercisable by Newmont by providing certain cash reimbursements and payments to Goldterra. This looks like a favorable combination, and if Goldterra outlines 5 million ounces, then the back-in right does not hurt, and the company will be at a much higher valuation level with their shares and would have Newmont as a partner. Max Silver closed successfully their $50 million at the market equity program called the ATM program. The company sold and issued since 30th June 2020 almost 3.1 million shares at an average price of $16.16 per share for gross proceeds of $50 million and net proceeds of $48.6 million respectively. Max Silver also did an agreement to consolidate and acquire 100% of the silver-rich Deer Trail Carbonate Replacement Deposit (CRD) project in Butte County in Utah. The project includes 111 patented and 682 unpatented claims with approximately 5,600 hectares encompassing the historic Deer Trail mine and the adjoining alunite-rich area. This is the first time since the early 1980s that these properties have been consolidated, allowing MAC to apply an integrated district-scale exploration approach based on the continuum of mineralization styles from CRD through skarn to porphyry copper molybdenum, shown by many related systems worldwide. This model suggests that the high-grade silver, gold, lead, zinc and copper CRD sulfides of the Deer Trail mine are linked by kilometers of continuous mineralization to a porphyry copper molybdenum center lying to the west near Alunite Ridge. Interesting move of Max Silver, as they are going in production now with their project in Mexico and work already on the future diversification of assets and possible new production. Aztec Minerals completed the first 5 holes with 843 meters length of the current 2,900 meter 20-hole Phase 1 reverse circulation drilling program at the Tombstone property. Drill samples were shipped to and received by Bureau Veritas Minerals Laboratory for geochemical analysis, and results are anticipated in the next 3 weeks. 4 holes were drilled in a spoke pattern to test the central segment of the north-trending main contention structure, which hosts the historic underground and open-pit contention mine. All 4 holes intersected old mine workings and pervasively oxidized and hematite-rich silicified hydrothermal breccias composed of quartz, feldspar, porphyry dike and Bisbee group clastic sedimentary fragments typical of the contention mine mineralization. The deepest hole was drilled to 230 meters, which is 200 meters vertical, and remained in oxidized rocks the whole way. An additional hole was drilled southeast of the main contention pit to test for parallel mineralized zones and intersected 2 separate structures with quartz carbonate alteration. Adstag holds an option to acquire a 75% interest in the Tombstone property, which includes many of the original patented mining claims in the district. The main target of the current RC drill program is to test for shallow, bulk tonnage, heap leachable epithermal gold-silver oxide mineralization adjacent and below the previously mined contention pit. We look forward to an upcoming news flow in the next weeks as Adstag performed well so far. Maple Gold Mines gave an outlook on their exploration work in the second half of 2020. The company is pursuing an integrated twofold exploration strategy at their Douay project, consisting of firstly defining and drill testing discovery targets. Due to the proximity of the project to the high-grade and past-producing Wetzer mine and the Eagle Talbot mine, only located 12 kilometers and 1 kilometer from the Douay property boundary, respectively, the company sees a large potential for new higher-grade discoveries at Douay. In the fall 2020 drilling campaign, they will do a 3,000-meter program expected to commence in October. It will focus primarily on drill testing new discovery targets with the potential for higher-grade mineralization. Permits for several drill sites are already in hand, with additional sites having been requested in early August. The winter 2021 drilling campaign will be a program of over 10,000 meters and shall take place from January to April 2021. Drill targets are being planned and will mainly be focused on the above priority areas that have the potential to unlock significant value with further step-out and infill drilling. Lots going on here, and we expect a very good news flow for Maple Gold. Also, the latest additions to board and management looks like that the company is now entering the next phase with a new resource 2021, and then we can imagine that a strategic partner will join this great company. You should have a look on the CVs of the new team members. I saw Ivanhoe Mines, Robert Friedland was here named, and all those people. Getting interesting here. Me and or my team are shareholders in one and or all stocks presented, and they are or will be included into the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate. Thanks for watching us, and bye bye from Switzerland.